Hi there, it's Jo from Reflexology Kent again. I'm a wellbeing practitioner and wellbeing tutor. And today I'm going to take you through another easy to follow hand reflexology technique. Today we're going to focus on the spine. So the spine on the hand, you will find it goes across from here and all the way up to the side of the thumb. Now, the first part here is your cervical spine, so your neck area. Here will be your thoracic spine, so round about where your shoulder blades are, your mid-spine. And here to the middle of the wrist will be your lumbar spine, and from here to here will be your coccyx. Okay, and again, it's exactly the same on the other hand. So here will be your cervical spine, your thoracic spine, your lumbar, and then your coccyx. Now, the way to treat the spine is the same as we've used before, would be in the caterpillar walk, which I still prefer to use. So I'll show you that now. And it doesn't really matter whether you start at the coccyx or the cervical, you choose. I'm going to start, because it's easier for the video, I'm going to start down at the lower part of the spine. So again, just keep the hand and the fingers quite close to each other. If you stretch out like this or like this, it's just not very comfortable for the hand and you could cause a lot of tension in the wrist there. So keep everything nice and close. If it's not comfortable and you're tensioning your shoulders, then just change your position. And I'll show you another way of doing it if you can't use your thumbs in a moment. So let's begin. So for the camera, I'm just going to turn around that way. So again, thumb walk. So it's a nice caterpillar walk going up. So just notice, do you feel any changes under your thumb in the skin there? Any noduly bits or tender bits? Just notice without judgment, just thinking about how you feel. How's your spine feeling? How, is it flexible? If you've got any tension today, just working your way up the thumb. And I'm going to show you going back down the other way, how you can do it as well this way. So always support the hand. So this way is quite nice to do it this way, especially for the neck. So again, working your way down the neck. And if you've got a sore neck today, then why don't we just spend a little bit more time up here and just work your way around the thumb a little. Just releasing that tension. And if you want to do another move, you could maybe use your thumb and just rock from side to side with that working hand. You can just really feel that on that thumb that you're working on. And again, for the thoracic spine, if you're feeling a bit achy today, how long have you been sitting at your desk for? Do you maybe need to move a bit more often? Try and move every half an hour if you can do. And maybe we just need to get some movement into that thoracic spine there as well. So this will just help just ease those back muscles. And again, I can like to stroke across. You can do stroking movements. If your thumbs are a bit tricky to use, then try your knuckles as well. And let's do the other side. So again, I'm going to try the thumb walk. So I'm going up to the lumbar spine here from the coccyx area. And then from here, I'm going to do the lower spine. Now I've got a little bit of tension there, so I'm going to just hold that for a little while and just do small circles in that area. Take a nice deep breath, breathe out and just release that tension and just do a nice wider circle, just release that through. Then continue with your thumb walk. If you're finding you're stretching your thumb over too far, then stop and come around the other side. You can go straight to the thoracic if you wish to finish that area first, or to start up at the neck and work your way back down. Entirely up to you. You do how you feel you want to do today. Tomorrow could be different. It's up to you. There we go. Hope you found that helpful, and join me for another one soon. Thank you.